Engineering Our Future is an initiative developed by the Institute of Civil Engineers. They bring hands-on engineering projects to schools so young people can decide if engineering may be a future career option. All the pupils from Abertillery Primary, Queen Street Primary and Abertillery Comprehensive School were mixed into two teams. Each team would start to build from either side of the bridge to eventually meet in the middle. Abertillery Communities First ran this as a pilot project, looking to encourage engineering as a practical career option. The pupils were told all about the range of different jobs within engineering. The task was set to build a working scale bridge similar to the second Severn crossing on the Wales border. Communities First learning communities are working to increase key stages 2, 3 and 4 results and reducing primary and secondary school absence rates. The volunteer team, or construction ambassadors, consisted of 6 professional engineers that all worked within different areas of engineering, from design, project management to construction. They volunteer to help young people decide on a career path. After the teams were given a brief talk about the health and safety equipment which they may need in their future careers, they were given their own for today's project. The two teams had to work as one unit to utilise key skills in both communication and cooperation to create the bridge platform. All the sections needed to be placed in order and all the nuts and bolts needed to be tensioned correctly for the suspension bridge to hold a person's weight. As the project moved into its final stages, there were several important safety checks that the young people needed to perform. Luckily, a willing teacher was on hand to test the bridge by being the first person to walk its full length of 17 metres. Each pupil got the opportunity to put the bridge to the test and walk over it. They were glad the safety checks were completed.
So we did the ice bridge construction today. Did you enjoy it? Was it a good sort of project?
Yeah.
What was your favourite bits about it?
Working as a team.
Building bridge. Actually doing it.
So doing it. Okay, so would you like to do like sort of more projects like that within the school?
Yeah.
Like different things, not just the bridge, like different things. So.
Yeah, okay. Do you think it was good to work together with like the primary pupils?
Yeah.
How about you guys from the primaries? Was it nice to work with the comprehensive pupils?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
I'm a construction ambassador for Construction Skills, which basically involves the supporting events such as the ICE Bridge, which the Construction Skills take to schools, normally primary schools. As part of our involvement with the Heads of the Valleys A465 duelling, we've come to Abertillery to support today's event. It's just a great hands-on experience for the pupils to see engineering in practice, really.
Okay.
And get to see some of the sort of fun things that can be done in engineering.
Brilliant. Do you think that the hands-on stuff brings a more like dynamic learning experience, and it, gives people a chance to try things in a practical way, and that kind of inspires people more than perhaps more classroom learning?
I think definitely, because just to stand there and talk to children about civil engineering, it doesn't really bring it to life. It's such a dynamic career.
I was just wondering if you could tell us a little bit about Al Carpenter and yourself, how you're involved with the ICE project with the schools.
All the major consultants and contractors in Wales have become involved with the ICE Bridge over the years. It's something I like to take to the schools I work with. I think it's a really good learning tool for the younger elements.
Right.
We tend to only do it with junior schools, and it does spark an imagination.
Brilliant. Do you think that like doing that sort of practical stuff perhaps gives someone a little bit of a idea around some of the elements of engineering?
Yes, it's something hands-on that they can relate to, and most people have no idea what civil engineers do. So it's a good way of introducing them to the range of projects that civil engineers do.
Okay. So Tracy, I was just wondering if you could tell us a little bit about how the projects help the school really to achieve a curriculum or to inspire the pupils.
Right. First of all, it's sort of covered 3 different areas. One was the transition, getting year 5 pupils to work alongside our year 10s. It was also a more able and talented project where our brighter pupils have been introduced to engineering, and especially the females, trying to get them excited about engineering. And also they do a Welsh Baccalaureate exam, and our year 10s can use this as evidence towards their Welsh Baccalaureate.
Oh, so it's quite practical for them there in that aspect.
So I mean, it's fulfilled 3 different areas, so it's been brilliant.
Okay. So how do you think it's gone today? Do you think the pupils have enjoyed the session?
I think it was very, very successful. The second group I felt definitely got more out of it because of the type of pupils, and I think they were far more interactive, but definitely, a plus, and I'd like to use it again.